All right, now we're going to look at equivalence, which is an if and only if statement. And the math symbol for if and only if is the IFF. That's not a typo. We also use the double-headed arrow. So two propositions P and Q are equivalent if and only if means that P and Q are true, or P and Q are false. So P is true if and only if Q is true, or P is false if and only if Q is false. So if P is true and Q is true, then my equivalence statement is true. If P is true and Q is false, well, P is true if and only if Q is true, that is not a true statement. This is the reverse of that. And now we have if P is false if and only if Q is false, that is a true statement. So we can think about this in terms of a polygon having 4 sides and a polygon being a quadrilateral. Well, the definition of quadrilateral is to have 4 sides. So a polygon has 4 sides if and only if it is a quadrilateral. If a polygon does not have 4 sides, then it cannot be a quadrilateral. So I could similarly say if it is not a quadrilateral, it will not have 4 sides. That's what makes this statement and this version of the statement true. But if a polygon has 4 sides, it has to be a quadrilateral. So this can't lead to a true equivalence. On a Venn diagram, P being equivalent to Q would mean that P and Q must fully overlap and be on top of each other. They have to be the same circle.